Hey, what's up guys? Hope you're having a great day. If you guys are watching this, you are most likely a new rider who is preparing for their motorcycle road test. And in this video, I'm going to be giving you guys one quick tip that'll help increase your chances of passing during your road test. If you guys have a monochrome or a one color the helmet, for example, my helmet here is completely matte black. This is going to help emphasize the shoulder checks, so your examiner knows that you're doing them well, that you're doing them often. Because if you have a matte black helmet like this, or if you have all white, all red, just a single color the helmet, it might be harder for them to identify when you are actually doing a shoulder check, because they're going to be in a car either like one or two car lengths behind you. So all you need to do for this is either get reflective tape, or in my case I'm using a red piece of vinyl, because it's going to stick out compared to the rest of the helmet. And you're just going to make like a straight line across from the back up top. It doesn't have to go all the way, because they're going to be staring at the back of your head. And if you do that, when you turn your head to do a shoulder check, they'll be able to see that you're actually doing it. So for example, you take your strip of tape or vinyl from the back of the helmet in the middle, place it as straight as you can, just apply it onto your helmet. When you have a bigger piece of tape, it doesn't have to be the perfect, but that's more than enough. So now when you're on the road doing a shoulder check, they'll be able to see, because there's a line in the middle, that you're actually doing it. Because when I was preparing for my road test, this was something that was mentioned on the forums as well, and took this advice from my driving instructor as well, that's having a piece of red tape or some type of tape that distinguishes from the color of your helmet really helps the examiner know that you are doing your shoulder checks. So if you guys do this, it might be helpful. They did mention though that sometimes the instructors say to remove it, sometimes they don't mind it. If they don't, then that's good for you. If they do say to remove it, then remove it. There's no need to argue over a piece of tape. And if you guys do this, it might help you improve your chances of passing your road test. Now just make sure that you do practice your shoulder checks and to ride, and how to ride safely and properly, because there is no trick question. They are there to help you pass. So with that being said, hope you guys enjoyed this tip. If you guys did, please do drop a like down below, and to subscribe if you guys want to see more bike content like this. And with that, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll catch you all in the next one. See ya.